Hey, 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 hey! Hello, my name is Charles, and I am passionate about many things, but on this channel, I want to share my passion about makeup. I know that I have been doing a lot of these pass or fail videos, which I still think is a grand idea. I am pretty new to makeup, but you know, I'm learning things all the time. Every time I do makeup, I am learning something. I know that there's a massive amount of tutorials out there and all kinds of makeup channels who offer fantastic advice, but from a lot of people who watch my videos, I have gotten a lot of questions on why I do what I do and how did I learn to do that. So I figured that right now, like at this stage in my knowledge about makeup, that I would do a kind of how-to on different parts of makeup. So today I am going to talk about one of the most basic building blocks of makeup, which is eyeliner. Eyeliner is something that you can wear just by itself, not even with foundation, and you already feel like you're in an elevated state, or at least that's how I kind of feel. I feel a bit more confident, a bit more beautiful. Before I take this off, let's explore. Today I did this with just e.l.f. red lipstick. I just put some on near my lash line and then just faded it out. And then I just did a crayon liner and then just kind of smoked that out as well. And then I think I put some shimmer shadow in the inner corner. So let's explore eyeliner together. Raise your hand if you're ready to explore. Okay. All right, so I'm fresh-faced and ready to face the day. So you better pay attention. This is Haus Laboratories liquid eyeliner. What you're gonna wanna do is you're just gonna wanna start here. You're gonna wanna draw a line. You're gonna go all the way, and then you're just gonna color that in. You're gonna wanna go right under, I don't like to line the whole bottom eye. It just doesn't feel like me. And then, yeah, you're just gonna wanna go ahead and do the other eye. Now, don't worry if you see like right here, like I don't have a clean line, you're just gonna wanna fix that. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around. I'm gonna go ahead and just put on some primer just to kind of rehydrate my skin. So while I put on a new base, we are gonna do our daily affirmation. So number one, being emotionally vulnerable does not mean being weak or too emotional. Number two, just because you're not successful at everything one day doesn't mean that you won't be able to do it the next day. And number three, a little bit goes a long way, but the faster you dig, the quicker you can get rid of that body. So there are many different eyeliner applications. One of the most mainstream, I think, is liquid eyeliner. So with liquid liners, especially like this NYX pen, you want to shake it. There is a little thing in there that's meant to like mix up the product. Now I do find sometimes with this NYX Epic eyeliner pen that sometimes it does have just like really excess wetness. So I kind of do like a couple strokes on my hand to get rid of that really wet line. As you can see, like there's a very big difference between this last line right here and this first big one. You can do eyeliner many different ways. It depends on your eye shape, how you want it to look. It's honestly something that you just play around with till you are looking in the mirror and you say, I like that today. But I'm gonna teach you how I learned to do a basic wing. So I want you to imagine that from right here at the corner of your eye, there is a straight line that goes up from the bottom eyelid, starts here and it just goes dunk, straight out that way. Now you can angle it up, you can angle it to the side, many different ways. I'm gonna do like an angled up over here, and then I'm gonna do just a straight out on this side. So like I said, what we are going to do is we're going to start a little line right there, just angled up. It's okay if it looks a little crazy at first, it's all right. This still feels really, really liquidy and like it is bleeding into my eye. And in fact, I think it may have a little bit. That's okay, we're just gonna keep going. Most eyeliner is extremely eye safe. If it gets into your eye, you're gonna be all right. Now, I'm just going to make a triangle shape that connects to the rest of my eye, just like this. I'm gonna start at about midline, and I just drew a straight line over. So as you can see, there's kind of a dip right here. Now, I'm just going to fill in to make a nice little triangle. There's a little corner right here that's not filled in. All right, and then what I did was I tapered it down and just made the triangle get smaller and smaller until I ran out of room about towards my mid-eye. All right, so that is a pretty good little angled wing. It goes up. We have just a good shape. Now, remember, you are on a 3D surface, so you can't always just draw a straight line and expect it to be straight. So just take your time and eventually practice and practice. You'll get better and better at it. So don't feel bad if you don't get it right or if it looks a little crazy on the first try. All right, so over here on the other eye, I'm going to do more of a straight line because sometimes I just like that straight line look. So what you're gonna wanna do is gonna make a small line. So on the other eye, we kind of followed this curve upward. Instead, over here, we're gonna start right here at the corner of the eye, and we're just gonna make a small line that goes out. Now, it is gonna appear more straight, but remember you are on a 3D surface, so you're going to want to kind of still angle up just a little. You almost even kind of wanna make the smallest rainbow arc. All right, so now that we have this line, we can go ahead and fill in to make it more straight. So I did have to drag it out a little more. It actually does kind of angle more down than I'd like it to. I think my head just kind of tilts at an angle. But as you can see here, I just kind of tapered it down. It just got smaller and smaller the farther I got on the eye. And that is just a very simple, basic way to explore doing eyeliner. And if you're feeling more bold, you can make it bigger. It doesn't have to be minimal. You can always go a little thicker. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So as you can see, I just kind of thickened everything up, drug it out a little bit, and I continued over the lid of the eye, which is always a good look. For this one, another good way to experiment is stopping here and then just adding a little triangle here that does not quite connect. Or you can even get bolder. This is not really a look anymore. This is very early 2000s. Now, as you can see, I had a mistake, but look, play around with it. All I did was just add another line, and this may not be the most desirable thing. You could fill it in and make it even thicker, but honestly, this looks kind of cool. Just play around with it till you find something that you like. There are no hard and fast rules. You just make and you wear what you feel like looks good on you or something that you want to challenge or try. And that's all you can really ask for. Like, for example, what if I took this little sparkle liner and then I filled in that hole, and then maybe on this eye, I put a line that went down here and I continued it up and over. There are many ways that you can just play around and find out different things and different ways for things to look good or better. A mistake doesn't always have to be the end of the road. Sometimes it is a discovery. So that is what I have for you today on liquid liner pens. We will get into probably my favorite, which is a smokier eyeliner, in the next video. Thank you guys so much for sticking around, and just wear it with confidence, because honestly, your confidence is what is going to sell most of that look. Remember that there is a big red subscribe button that I would be very thankful if you clicked to follow me and see more of my videos, and always keep in touch. Linked below is all of the links to the music that I use in the background, the link to my podcast with me and my best friend called Hold Me I'm Scared, as well as my social media. TikTok is always where I'm having the most fun. So like I said, this is how we say goodbye. I'm gonna blow you a kiss and you are going to catch it, okay? You wanna feel some love? You wanna feel something real? You wanna just catch the kiss. Are you ready? Get my liner kiss. All right, now blow it back and I will catch it every single time. Blow me a kiss. Oh, there you go. There you go. Now that is what I'm talking about. I feel young again. All right, my friends, see you soon. Bye.